Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox. We are unboxing ಮಾಡೋಣ. आज हम unboxing करेंगे दो चीज़ों की, two things. So let's begin. Okay, so this we have come here. Yeah, we have this. NVMe SSD. This can be used in laptop as well as computer, PC as well. You can see here the price is 13,000 here. This is 1 TB hard disk, 1024 GB gigabyte with a speed of here speed is written 1 or 2 GB per second speed. Okay, read and write speed. Okay, so simple, very simple, no knife needed, just open like this and open my type and okay, so show you can see here imported market and by this is 3 years warranty ADNX. You can see this price is where is price 12,990. okay, and this we have here NVMe. Okay, so we're going to show you NVMe here and let me show it here. Okay guys, you can see this is Aarvex A660 and back side here you can see here this 1 TB SSD. okay, it has sticker on it. I show you here. Okay, okay guys, पार्सल आया उसमें जो था एक दो ठीक है सुन गए
काय ना की हा पार्सल
ठीक है. Okay, on the side mother reason for so guys, another package we have here is from Amazon. Okay, this is very costly packaging. You can see front and back from here. I'll show you. Okay, so without wasting any more time, let's get started. Yes, so this is seal and seal back color things. Okay, 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 I got wrong. This we have bill. Okay, further information. Okay, so something else we keep it side. Sorry for that. Sorry. Okay guys, so this very nice packaging. This one is very much weight it carries. So let's we break this seal. Okay guys, ta-da! Oh my god, wow guys, you can see here this is M.2 Nvme Ssd enclosure, Rog Strix 2. You can see the box is very colorful and ROG Republic of Gamer dual USB-C cables. Okay, and you can see this side and you can see the price. I will give you the link in the description. Amazon Best Buy link, you can purchase. This is 7,200 but we just purchased it at 5,350 cash on delivery. Okay guys, so and this you can see here Mac and Windows 10 compatible. You have SIM ejection ejection pin, USB C to C cable, USB A to C cable, R hook and protector, inbox content. Okay guys, back side you can see you can use it like this and this has thermal pads here and designation and you can read it here. This is all is warranty and forest. So let us open this box. We have one seal here and we don't have any seal here, but it's a sealed box. Okay, and see very much interesting logo. Okay, cameraman, focus karo. The seal is not broken. Okay, good. seal is not broken, so break the seal. Okay, let's break it from here as well. And okay guys, okay, and oh, ta-da guys. Okay, this right, and this box is empty, you can see, so I put it inside. Okay guys, so on the top we get the main unit, so we keep it aside. Okay guys, this is a nice foam padding here. Okay, and this we get a ejection tool here. Okay, to insert SSD. Very nice. Okay guys, so this I keep it side. Okay, this also, and here you get beautiful packaging here, very nice. You get this R hook, R, you can see Asus Rog. I keep it side. And what else you get? This is cover for this. Okay guys, you can see here Republic of Gamers, and very durable quality it has. Okay, let's keep it aside here. And in the box else what you get? Okay guys, so you get this. I have to open it like this. Okay, so box you get USB C to C cable guys, this with logo, very nice, very good. Okay, keep it aside. And another cable guys, so you get this USB A to C type cable with the same logo. Okay guys, we keep it aside. And you get Rog Strix very installation guide. This is a very bulky guide. Okay, cameraman focus here. You can see here B key, no, you get M key. This type of SSD you need, as I showed you, and you have to connect it here. Basic information guys, so you can read it. We keep it aside. And we get this big user manual. You can see, I'm gonna read it, you can also read it. Okay, stay cool, stay fast. Okay guys, so this box content. Cameraman, show it one time what we get in the box. Cameraman focus. Thumbnail. Okay guys, so these are box content. I need to set up, and after we can okay guys, sir, I have to show the main unit. So cameraman, come here. I am showing you main unit. Okay guys, this is the main unit. I forgot to show you, sorry for the inconvenience. Okay guys, you get one seal here, so let's break this seal also. And okay guys, oh my God, this is very weight, and this is aluminum casing, very strong, not plastic. This is, and you can see, so where is SIM ejector to this is, and you can see it. In the next video I will show you how to set up and connect it to the computer. You can just and it's gonna open it like this, and you can see, please initialize your new blank SSD before using it. You may refer to the user manual. Okay, these are thermal pad. Okay, and you can see it, it's very, you can see this is very heavy quality, and this is very heavy case. You can see the, I show you, and you can unscrew it and just install this here, and it's gonna work. This is 1 TB SSD, and you can see you can plug it in here, this light. Okay, so I'm gonna just, and you, after installizing your SSD, you can just you have to just insert it like this, and you have to move it like this, and after a click, okay, this is set up. Okay guys, so one main thing I show you, this you need to set it up like that. Okay guys, so like this, from back side you just this is like this. Okay, you have to, okay, now it has, it's very tight guys. Okay guys, you can see so if it falls, there is no damage. And you also put this hook and carry it on to your buckle like this. Okay, I'll show you. This is very nice product, and you just strap in and this, you can see, and this you also can here, and I show you. You can just and you can see guys this. Okay, okay guys, so that was it today, and in the next video I will go how to set up this SSD. So like the video, share this video, comment, subscribe to my channel, and guys, see you in the next video guys.